Nissan Altima 2018. All keys lost. Let's program it. Show you how a locksmith does it. Are you going to tow this to the dealership? What are you going to do? We're going to fix it. First thing I'm going to do with the new key fob is I'm going to test this battery. And that's why we test them. There we go. You'll go crazy trying to program a push button with a bad battery. This tells you right here, negative side up. Here's the positive side. Put the negative side in, push it down. Boom, we're good to go. Snap it together and put the remote, the mechanical key inside. Let's go program. All keys lost. Why do I get the feeling this is going to happen? No remote. Nice. No alarm. Okay, the VCI is hooked up. And now both lights are on. We're looking for Nissan. Looking for the network. We have internet. We're going to go auto selection. Let's turn on the hazards. Let's open and close the door. And if they're met, turn on the ignition. Maybe. Ignition is on. Okay. Now it's going to scan. Getting closer. We are there. Okay, we want to go hot function. We're going to try and add a key. See if it'll let us add us instead of all keys lost. Smart key. And let's start. This will erase all keys. Yes, we're okay. We already got the hazards on. We got the door, did that. Okay. Place the back of the smart key against the ignition. Hit OK. We heard a good noise. All right. It is thinking. Turn the ignition off and wait for 3 seconds. Says now, press the start button once, attach the smart key that needs to be learned to program, and push it, and whether it lights up or not. There's the push. There's our remote. Let's hit yes. Okay, so I forgot to show you the other part, but look what happens now. Push the button. Whammo. We have success. Locksmith and done the right way. Go check it out. Locksmithblueprint.com.